What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you what it took to get that radiator out of here, which is what I wasn't able to find on YouTube. Alright, so of course, as you can see, you have to remove both headlights, you have to remove the front bumper, and you will have to remove this reinforcement right here, which is 8 or 4 of these big ones all around, and a couple of the small ones, 1 and 2 on each side. And then this whole plastic assembly is going to have to come off, which is going to expose your radiator and your condenser right there. Okay, you're going to be able to remove these lines and move them out of the way. But the only thing is, I'm going to show you what people don't show right here. You see that, those 2 lines right there? If you follow this thing right here, it's like a little slot where this radiator slides on. Well, in there, this thing right here, I'm gonna put my fingers on it. Can you see? There we go. This thing right here is a bracket. Look at this bracket. You see that bracket right there? I'm gonna zoom in. That bracket is being held on by that nut in the middle. And that's a high pressure line for your AC. So there is a way for you to try and bend those lines out of the way so you can maneuver it enough to remove that radiator. But that is the hardest part of doing everything else. And the air conditioning system to recharge them are very expensive on these cars, so try your best not to mess with that if you don't have to. And be careful if you're bending these lines, because they're very weak now. You may break it bending it back. Alright, so if this is the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. But if not, just stay tuned and let's see what else we can do.